Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of mine. So in today's tutorial I'm going to create an eyeshadow look using the new Huda Beauty Nude Palette. Although as you can see I've already done my base, so I'm going to straight move into, I'll just show you. For the foundation and the concealer I've used a combination of Makeup Forever foundation and the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. So as you can see guys, I've already done my one eye just behind the camera. So I'm just going to show how I did this one. So what we are going to do here is, first we are going to take this shade from here, from the nude palette. It's a nice dusty rose sort of shade called Spanked. Just going to take a fluffy brush. Just going to create, building up slowly in the crease. So our focus is going to be just first taking our time and blending this color out. We are taking this shade called Love Bite from here. And again, just we are going to take not on the crease, but just a little underneath it. And again, using a V. Again, I'm going to take the same fluffy brush and taking a bit more of Spanked. Just trying to intensify a bit more. Right now, I'm just taking this shade from here. This is a nice flesh tone shade. I'm just trying to sort out the edges. So now I'm going to take this shade from here called Tickle and just placing it all over the lid. So again, now we are going to just take this one, the glitter shade from here. We are just going to place on the second half of the lid. Now we are just going to take a nice pencil brush. This is the Zoeva 231. I'm just going to take again the Spanked. Just going to as you can see. Guys, I've just finished my liner behind the camera. And since I've finished my eye look, just two things left. I'm just going to take this Urban Decay Heavy Metal eyeliner, and wherever we have made a wing, we're just going to trying to outline a wing, you can say, or to make it more precise and more sharp, just going to outline it a bit. The same I'm going to do in the we are just going to place it in the inner corner and just on the out little bit. So that's it. Just taking a nude pencil and a black one just on top of it. Or you can straight away use a brown eyeliner. It's not going to look too harsh. So I'm just using the Benefit Bad Girl mascara. For highlighter, I'm just using the Laura Geller. Just first I'm going to just place it on the brow bone. And then just using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, just going to take some in my hands Just dot it over. Just going to lightly press it in the skin. And just where we have used the highlighter, I'm again going to use the Laura Geller. I'm just going to just lightly place it. Just lightly, very lightly. Because apparently the Becca and this one are quite nice and illuminating. So now we are going to done with the highlighting. For the bronzer, I'm using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm just taking a brush from here. For blush, I'm just using the NARS Orgasm and just dotting it over very slightly because this is quite pigmented, so I'm just very slightly. For lips, I'm going to use a combo of these three. This one is the Becca Lip Liner in Weekend. I'm just going to use the Estee Lauder. This is 102 Bronze Leaf. This is the liquid lipsticks. And on top of it, just to create a nice gradient, I'm using the Stila All Day in shade Firenze. Just putting it. That's it really. And for setting the makeup, I'm just using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So that's my finished look, guys. Hope you all like this look. So please, if you do like this tutorial, then please take a moment to like my channel and do subscribe and do give a big thumbs up. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye.